I know all of you are busy preparing for your IELTS examinations, and so I'll be quick. The writing task in this particular video is taken from book number 6. And although this book was published way back in 2007, the format of this writing task is still valid up till this date. So do subscribe to my channel to receive all of the other writing tasks in this book series number 6. And best of luck for your exams. How to write a discuss both views and give your opinion essay. Some people believe that visitors to other countries should follow local customs and behavior. Others disagree and think that the host country should welcome cultural differences. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, where I mention the details of the topic. Body para 1, where I discuss the first view. Body para 2, where I discuss the second view, and the conclusion, where I give my opinion. For each of these paras, I will first explain the format and then show an example. Do note important linking words in red letters and vocabulary in blue letters. In the introduction, rewrite the topic in your own words and mention what you will write in this essay. Some people feel that countries should be welcoming towards overseas tourists and should accept the cultural differences, whereas others believe that it is in fact the tourists who should observe decorum and respect the sentiments and sanctity of the people of the country that they are visiting. In this essay, I will discuss the merits of both points of view and thereafter give my opinion. In Body Para 1, discuss the first view regarding the host countries. On one hand, countries tend to promote their culture and traditions to global audiences with the main purpose of attracting tourism and in turn foreign currencies and foreign goodwill. Foreign tourism helps to create awareness about a country's value. And the foreign exchange that these tourists bring in not only helps in increasing employment for the locals, but also improves the country's financial standing. And lastly, international goodwill helps in a way that other countries view the host country as a friendly nation and thus would tend to keep better terms while approving policies related to that host country. It is thus essential for host countries to maintain good relations with the visiting tourists. In Body Para 2, discuss the second view regarding the visiting tourists. On the other hand, it is essential for visiting tourists to be receptive towards local cultures, beliefs, and traditions. Although certain local practices may seem trivial or amusing to them, they must avoid challenging the logic or wisdom behind those practices, as they were adopted in the past for some good reason. In the conclusion, give your opinion along with some reasons. Thus, after discussing both views related to behavior as well as acceptability towards one another's culture, I believe that both the host country as well as the visiting tourist should contribute equally to maintain a harmonious and equitable relationship. The next slide will show the entire essay. You may pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.